Everyday technology is advancing and AI is taking over, and the only thing I say about it is that it's making life beautiful and simple for us who are smart and who are tech inclined. So this video, I'm so excited about it because ever since I discovered it, it helped me to say, okay, I cannot hide this secret from my fans, from my subscribers. Let me come and share it. So do you know that you can sound like a pro even though you are not fluent in English or you are not a very good writer? You can write and sound like a pro. When somebody reads your write up, they will say, this person has finished advert. Meanwhile, you might not finish secondary school or even primary school. Because of this new Facebook feature that has been introduced, I hope you know you can use Facebook to generate AI images, and you can just use this feature that I'm about to show you to write and sound like a learned person, sound grammatical, sound like a prof. So without wasting our time, I want to take you into this tutorial proper for you to see things yourself, and after that I want you to start using it. You don't just post anyhow on your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. I want you to start using this feature, right, so that somebody who had not seen you written a good English before or a very creative work before, when they start reading from you, they say, wow. After this tutorial, when you start writing, people will be like, wow, so this person has been like this and I don't know, because they will see you in another light. I'm loving AI, what is doing. So I want to take you through the steps that I'll take to show you how you can use this new Facebook feature to write and sound like a pro, write like a professional, and somebody will look at your work and say, this person has not gone to school. How is it that he or she can speak so well? So I'm liking AI because AI is making life simple for everybody, whether you are a graduate, whether you have never been to school. So far you can read and you can write, you can now express yourself in the way you want without limitation. So I want you to stick to this video to the end and learn and become perfect in your own way. This is a free tutorial. I want you to enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Let's dive in right now.
Okay, to get started, what we need to do is to open our Facebook app. So you open the app on your phone, but if you are using system, your laptop, you can also open through the website and log in. When you have logged in, let's say, okay, let me start everything from the beginning. Okay, all right, so this is my Facebook page. The first thing I want to do is to come to what's on your mind. You tap on it. All right, when you tap on it, I want to write a goodwill message. Okay, for Sunday, I just want to inspire people on a Sunday like this. So I will write something. Okay, like this. I will say happy Sunday. My lovely people, lovely friends. Okay, friends on Facebook. All right, so you've seen the write up Happy Sunday by lovely friends on Facebook. It's been awesome having you all this while on this platform. I really want to appreciate each and every one of you. I wish you all the best, even as we, okay, there is a mistake here. Even as we end this month, may the next month bring you all the things you desire in life. God bless you, my friends. All right. So you can see what I I've written so far. So now I can use AI to transform this. Okay, I can say I can use this option, help me write. Okay, I can use this option. I can use professional. I can use fixed grammar. I can say make it shorter. I can say make it funny. I can say make it heartfelt. I can say make it inspirational. Okay, so let me copy all this out. All right, because I want to test all the tools. All right, so I copy this one. So I will go with the first option. So I say help me write. So I click on it. So let's see what AI will come up with. So it's loading right now. All right, so you see what it has transformed it to be. It says, as we approach the end of the month, I would like to acknowledge my wonderful friends on Facebook. It has been a genuine pleasure interacting with you all. I send my best wishes to each of you, hoping the next month will usher in numerous blessings, prosperity, and realization of your deepest desires. Warm regards. So you can see how it transformed that my English and my approach. So how it changes the way I open it. Do you understand? So it fixes it. Now look at the second option. So it gives me 4 different options. This is the first option, this is the second option. The second option says, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt appreciation to my esteemed friends on Facebook. It has been an absolute pleasure connecting with all of you on this platform. I extend my warmest wishes to each and every one of you as we conclude this month. May the upcoming month bring you unparalleled success and fulfillment in all aspects of life. Best regard. Another one. So, because of time, I will not want to go through each text here. So, you can see how AI has transformed the grammar from what it was to or what it is now. So, let me just okay. So, if I want to choose any of these, let's say the first one, all I need to do is to click on it. Okay, it will replace what I wrote. So from here I can just post it. All right, so but I want to show you something. So now I can add image to it. Of course, during the introduction I made sure to understand that you can use your Facebook to generate AI images. So if you have not seen this option on your Facebook page or Facebook profile, all you need to do is to just update your Facebook app. Okay, just update it and the features will be added automatically. So right now, let's say I want to add AI image to this text. So what I want to do is to click here. All right, I click here. I will write a prompt to describe what I want. Okay, so what I want to do is to, these are samples of the AI images and you see how clear it is. It's just like using Bing to generate image, so clear. All right, and the resolution is high. So now let me, since I'm talking about new month wishes to my Facebook friends, I will just say generate an image of a young man embracing his friends. All right, so it's just like I'm embracing my friends. So I'll say generate Okay, so I will say of an African so that it will, I have to be precise of the race. So I will say African. All right, African young man embracing his friends. Then these friends should not only be Africans, should be all nationality. Okay, so I will say his friends of all races. All right, because my friends here on Facebook are not just Africans, they are also white, so of all races. So I now click on this arrow up and wait for it to generate the image for me. So it will give me four options to choose. Okay, so you can see white, you can see black. So you can see, all right, these ones are all black. You can see all black. You can see. So it gives me options, but I still need pure white people with everything. It's still, these are all Africans white. So I need to say of all races, both black and white. All right, so I will regenerate it. Okay, so I changed the prompt so you can see, right? So you can see now, they are white people, they are white people, okay? All right, they are white people, they are white people. So it's for me to make choice between this and this, okay? Which one will I want to use? Okay, which one is more appealing? So I'll come here and I'll check the two photos and I will decide to choose this one because I don't need a child because we are not expecting that a child should be online, okay, on Facebook. This one is below 18, so it's not acceptable by me, okay. So all I need to do is to choose this one, all right. So it will be added to my image, you can to my write-up, so you can see it is added. So if I want to, now we have used two of these. Another one I want to use is this professional. Okay, so if I want to make it professional, I will now come here. I don't want to use this one that AI has provided. I want to go back to my original write-up so that I'll use professional and show you how to appear. So I click on paste, paste. So I pasted my old write-up. So what I want to do is to click on this professional, all right? And AI will generate a professional write-up for me. So just give it some minutes. All right, so you can see, say, as we approach the end of the month, I would like to acknowledge the wonderful connection I have made with my Facebook friends. Your presence has made this platform exceptional. I wish you all the seamless transition into the next month, accompanied by abundant blessings and realization of your aspirations. So you can see that this is another option, this another option, this another option. So by this, you see that I sound so professional. All right. So here you can fix grammar. All right. You can make it shorter. You can make it funny. All right. So let's make it funny and see. Okay. Let's make it funny. All right. Now let's read the first one. Happy Sunday, Facebook pals. I am thrilled to have survive another month with all of you. Thanks for putting up with my post. You are the real MVPs. Wishing you all an amazing next month filled with laughter, good vibe, and zero bad hair days. Cheers, friends. So I can use this. I can also use another one. I can use another one. So they are always for option. So I can also make it heartfelt. Okay, so let's do heartfelt. So all these are options that you can use to transform that your message or that your post before you post them. So this is another one. Okay, this time around, let us read the third option. It says, "Beautiful Sunday to my wonderful Facebook family. Our time together has been uplifting. I am thankful for each of you and send warmest wishes for a brighter tomorrow as this month closes. May the new month bring you every desire of your heart. God's peace and abundance be your portion." So you can see that one is heartfelt. You can see the last one says, "Joyful Sunday to my inspiring Facebook friends. Our connection has been a true blessing. I celebrate each of you and send heartfelt wishes for a remarkable future as we wrap up this month. May the next chapter of your life be filled with purpose and joy. God's love and favor be with you." So I love this. So I will take this one. All right. So I can also make it inspirational, but I am satisfied with this. All I need to do is to just go ahead. I like the picture here, so I will now go ahead and click on next. Okay, and you can post to groups if you belong to group, but I don't want to post to group, so I'm not ticking. But if you just want to post to any group you belong, can just put it here. Okay, all right, can just put it there, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So you can also schedule your post. If I schedule it, I have to choose the time. I post it now or schedule time for later. If I click on it like this, I can choose to, okay, when am I sending it? Okay, I'm not sending it now. I want to send it on the 30th. Today is 29, so let me send it on 30th. All right, so I will say 30th and I say okay. All right, what time should I send it? I will say I will say 6 a.m. when people just wake up. By that time, people have okay 6 a.m. All right, I say okay. So I have scheduled it. So all I need to do right now is to go back. Now that I've scheduled it, I will now click on post. All right, so you can see I've posted it, but it will not show right now because I've scheduled it. It will only show on the date. All right, so it just notify me that it has been. So uploads finished. All right, so this is it, but it will not show. It's now telling me when you look at it, it said tomorrow at 6 a.m. So it will show tomorrow at 6 a.m. People will just wake up and see it. So let me love it in advance. So that is how you can transform your text on. So also generate email images instantly to make it a beautiful post. So that's all.
Okay, I want to believe that you have watched the video to the end. So thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. If there is any other tutorial video that you want me to do, please drop it in the comment section. When I see it, I will go and research and come out with solution on a tutorial video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.